Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how easily we can convert our selfie picture into a cartoon picture. Just by sliding down, we can make our selfie picture into a cartoon. Let us see how we can do that. First of all, just take a selfie video for 2 or 3 seconds, maybe just that's enough. I'll show you. So, for example, if this is your video, I have taken this for just 3 seconds, and now keep this video aside, and you need to install an app called Storyboard is from Google. Remember that it's a quality app. If you didn't download it, you can directly go to Play Store and search as Storyboard from Google. See here, research at Google. This is the publisher. I have just downloaded this and just open this and load a video. You'll get an option like load a video, so click on load a video, and this my video means just think it as a selfie video of yours. Means if you have open your front camera and took a 2 to 3 second selfie video, that's enough. It will process the video. This is what I have taken this. So just with your finger scroll down. I'm just scrolling down on my mobile screen. So each and every time when you scroll, uh, you'll get a new cartoonic image. uh, Once you tap on the image, you'll get the option for save, share, and these options load video. For example, if I want to share, I can share this to WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Facebook, or any other. I can directly share it. You can choose whatever, means you can just slide your finger down to the top to bottom of the screen until and unless you get a good cartoonic picture of your selfie picture. So it's very simple. We no need to do any customizations or any editing, nothing like that, but just in a second with the single swipe we'll get our picture into a cartoon picture. I hope you like this, and you'll try this once. Just install the storyboard and take a selfie video and just scroll down and see how it looks. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.